Hello there. So you want to know how you can fix your slow download speed in Battle.net Launcher? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is go ahead into your task manager and then go ahead and look for your Battle.net Launcher and click on End Task. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and into your Battle.net file location by simply opening your folder, go to local disk C, program files 86, and then go to your Battle.net, and on this launcher simply right click and click on properties, and now simply on security make sure that full control is allowed right over here. Now once you've done that, another thing that you need to do is go to properties and then go to compatibility and run this program as an administrator. Should be turned on. Now the other thing you need to do is go to your command prompt and run that as administrator. Run these two commands right here. First one being ipconfig space /flush DNS, just like that, and the other one being netsh space winsock space reset, just like that. And now just restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.